Yeah. Take a picture of my car like this.
I got you. Hit me up. I followed you already.
Okay.
Tourist photography.
Okay, tourist photography. And you'll take a picture of my car.
I bet. I got you.
You got some Buchanas?
Buchanas?
Yeah.
I can get you one.
You been drinking Buchanas tonight?
Nah.
You fuck with Buchanas though?
Yeah. That bitch is bad right there. That's
Man, I got my partners over there with that big bottle of Buchanas, nigga. I'm finna tear that bitch up. I've been hitting that hoe. I'm finna play with that hoe right now. Hey! Damn, that bitch empty. Oh shit, that bitch just at the bottom. I got it. All these people gonna be trying to get in my inbox tomorrow. Yeah, man. Where are you live, dude? You shouldn't be drinking online, man. Like, damn, I'm still holding the camera straight, bro. Oh, right lane one, man. Truck beat a Mustang, y'all. I mean, I do feel the difference. I guess y'all don't want to feel the difference. Damn. I still got to hear it tomorrow. I done had people tell me they gonna message me. Ooh, I wonder what that message gonna look like, man. I don't mind listening to the truth. Or a complaint. You know what I'm saying? Hollering. I think I want to be over there hollering, mother. Hey, man. Nah, I got a little bit of lick in me. That shit taking... It bought 50% and then dropped down a little bit, 60, 55. Hey, man! Let me see that Buchanas after this shit. Where y'all been at on this race right here? Y'all ain't saying nothing about that. We got this Trans Am versus Nova. You know this right lane got an LS. Cause ain't no old motor gonna holler like that and still be living. You over rail a 383 like that, it's coming apart when you get off the gas. Right lane for the win, y'all.
Hey, look at you good?
Hell no. I think I gotta go use the bathroom again.
You got to.
I'ma go.
You want me to hold the camera for you?
Nah.
No, you gonna get logged on over there.
Nah, I'ma come back.
Yeah.
There's still some Buchanas left.
Man, look, man, it's a big bottle.
Y'all ain't gonna drink it all, is you?
Shit, I'll save some for you if you want some.
Yeah, I'm finna come back, fool. Somebody. Oh, man, where did I put that drink at?
That motherfucker was full when I gave it to you.
Oh, I drunk it down, but I left that bitch somewhere. Let me go find it. Damn. I forgot about that damn drink. Think my shit way over here, man. Ain't nobody bothered that motherfucker. Damn. I forgot about. Yep, that bitch still cocked over the same way I left it. That way I knew nobody didn't mess with it. Damn. Bitch still cocked over. I can't finish this motherfucker. That bitch still the same. Damn, I can't finish this bitch, damn. Woo! God damn. I can't, this bitch still tastes the same.
Hey, still all your 30?
Yeah. Man, I need to use it. Yeah.
We go right?
Yeah.
Still on the hole.
Yeah.
I got you.
Yeah. Man, I need to use it. Hey, y'all. Oh, it almost at 200 people watching, y'all. I was just about to say, hey, y'all, come back, but never mind. Since it's 200 people watching, I ain't gonna even, damn. I need to find somebody up here to hold the camera.
Look out, look out.
Look out, look out, man. What's going on, man? How you doing today?
What up, bro? You got some shirts or what, huh?
Nah, I got, I done sold out of everything today. I think I'm coming tomorrow. I'm coming tomorrow with everything.
I'm gonna get you next time. Look out.
Hey, Diamond! Diamond!
What you sipping on?
Some
We over here drunk as hell
look,
on Twitch.
Yeah, I'm on YouTube. I need help.
What?
Her, you walk around with the camera for a minute.
All right.
That's all. Yeah, her, you can put it on you, double tap.